Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today I'm making this vlog for the unboxing. Finally unboxing my GoPro Hero 10 Black. So it took it got late because I didn't bought the memory card the day I bought the camera. So I have to go the next day again back to the shop to buy the SanDisk Extreme Pro 128 GB memory card for my GoPro Hero 10 Black. So let's go and do the unboxing, and then after that I'll make a first video with that GoPro Hero 10 Black. So let's go and do the unboxing now. Hey guys, this is my GoPro Hero 10 that I bought the other day. Probably you guys have already seen the buying video. So yeah, so let's do the unboxing, and I'm getting a huge upgrade in my video making. Like this GoPro have 23 megapixel and up to 5.3K 60 frame per second video, and then 33 feet underwater you can make video, and then the GoPro GP2 processor. And this one is a special bundle. In this bundle I get a clip and a tripod and extra battery. So yeah, and then app download, Google Play and App Store, and then these are the other options that you get, and then Hypersmooth 4.0. So yeah, so let's go and unbox it and see what is inside. So this GoPro have a like this pouch kind of a thing, not pouch, like you can carry your cameras and your video making accessories in this box. So this is what I get inside the box. First I open the box and then I get some paperwork, stickers, new stickers, and then how to mount your GoPro in the buckle, and the GoPro screw and helmet mount and all those things, and then battery, charging, downloading the app. Probably I have to update my GoPro before I can use it, but I don't see that in this box. So this is the I get two buckle in this box. Usually GoPro gives only one buckle. Two buckle, two screws, and one helmet mount or any other surface mount probably. And then here is the clip that you can put in your cap or your backpack. And it's got a mount in it already. Charging cable. One battery, and two batteries, and finally the GoPro Hero 10, the camera itself. So this is the camera, GoPro Hero 10 23 megapixel hyper smooth 4.0 with bigger screen, and also got a screen in the front now like the GoPro Max. So yeah, so let's go and install the battery and see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, one more thing I missed in the box is the tripod. GoPro mini tripod, or I don't know if there is a name for it. So yeah, this is the GoPro mini tripod. You can extend it. So this was it in the box, and now I can use this box to carry my GoPro Hero 10 along with the other GoPro cameras, probably, because it have loads of space if I take off this cardboard partition. So yeah, so let's go and install the battery and turn on the camera and see what happens. Hey guys, I opened the battery where I'm gonna put the battery, but I don't know if the batteries are charged or not, so let's try it out. Now it's telling me to install the GoPro app, which is already installed in my phone. So then leave the camera on, follow the app instructions. So my app has already detected the GoPro Hero 10. Camera is on. So I only got 9% of battery. It still didn't ask me for any update. Now the app is saying camera update available, and it's already started updating. So I only got 9% of battery, so I don't know if it's gonna update. I bought extra battery and a charger from AliExpress, but still didn't got delivered. So I'm also waiting for that, because I don't want to use my GoPro to charge the battery, because it gets overheat if I charge my battery in the GoPro camera. I always use separate chargers. Oh, guys, the battery is low. It's saying that I cannot update my camera now, and I also have to install the SD camera that I bought the other day, Extreme Pro Micro SDX SanDisk. So 128 gigabyte. So yeah, so I'm gonna install it now, and then probably will charge the camera, which I don't want to do because the camera gets overheated. So anyways, so this was it. This was the unboxing of my GoPro Hero10 Black, and this is the SD card, SanDisk Extreme Pro. So yeah, this was it, guys, and hope you guys like the unboxing. It wasn't a professional unboxing because I never do unboxing, so you guys already have seen probably 2 other unboxing video in my channel. So yeah, so this was it for now, and I'm gonna make a probably 5.3K first video with this camera. I'm gonna make it 5.3K 60 frame per second, and will directly upload it from my phone. I'm not gonna edit it. So yeah, see you guys in that video, and this is it for now, and see you guys in the next one.